To use your Google Play balance for in-app purchases, you must have sufficient funds to cover the cost of any charges. However, it's worth noting that certain apps and countries may not fully support this feature. For compatible apps, the process is straightforward. Open the app where you want to make a purchase. Select the item, and tap the payment button to prompt your checkout options. A new window will appear, allowing you to select the Google Play balance option and confirm your choice by tapping Apply. Once confirmed, you will receive the purchased item in the app and a confirmation email. In the US and UK, a range of items can be purchased using a Google Play balance, including apps, movies, books, and subscriptions. Additionally, in the US, it is possible to pay for newsstands using a Google Play balance. Overall, using your Google Play balance for in-app purchases is a simple and convenient process.